The work is in progress. The edge preparation is now going on. The trimming machine is now being put in between the pipes for edge preparation. This checks whether both ends are matching or not. The welding mirror is being put in between the pipes and pressed against the mirror at the required pressure, duly controlled and regulated. The welding process is on. The heating process is over. The pipes are pressed to each other at the prerequisite pressure and kept under cooling. The joints are being stamped for identification. After the cooling is over, the welding process is complete. All the data coming out of the data logger unit gives the welding parameters for acceptance.